Hi guys, I wanted to show you how to use BLM national data on the maps to find the lidar map so that you could find old diggings where you want to go prospecting. We have a mining claim, and we knew that up the hill there was more workings, and we wanted to check it out, and we're really glad we did. So this is the adventure of that. I'm showing you here how to get onto the mapping. I have another video of this if you'd like to see it, of actually how to use the whole system. This should kind of get you there as far as how to see the lidar one. It's not actually called lidar on there. I'm showing it to you right here. It is labels. You click on that, and for reference, this is just Mariposa County, and then you can zoom in and whatnot. And it's a really good way to see what's been going on without any trees or anything else. So this is the area of interest that we wanted to work on. You can see that there's obviously workings next to that gully. And then you can see uphill here too that these little potholes on the left side of the road there, that's actually a mine. I'll show that to you as well. And I hope this really helps you. I also end up in the creek for a little bit if you want to see me doing some panning. So let's go on an adventure. Okay, so we've got the gully, and then we've got some workings. You guys can see up there, there's a mine up there, and here's some quartz tailings. As I come down, it's a crazy road we just went on. There's giant quartz boulders. I'll take you up to those. Beautiful stuff. Look at that. Look at that red one. Ooh, that's blue. Okay, that's a keeper with crystals. Look at that. Look at the iron in that one. That's phenomenal. Oh my God, I want it. I want to take it home. Let's take it home. Look at this thing. Just for reference here. This is my hand. So to kind of give you an idea how big that thing is. It's beautiful. More boulders. It's like a boulder field right here. Look. So we got quite adventurous, and we wanted to find the top of our claim. And we found it. So stinking beautiful, you guys. So we use sandbags as our ore sample bags, and we mark them so we know where we pick up what and what we find where. There was diggings up the hill from where the mines are and from where the creek is. And we went on an adventure, and this is some of the stuff we found up there. Let's get this one out. Okay, that's not the geology that's supposed to be there. So this is why that's really important to check that lidar and see old workings. Somebody knew or found gold up there, and that is not the normal geology for the claim, so that's really bitchin'. Okay, that's got a lot going on. Gosh, it's almost like a granite-y deal. Okay, let's put that in our pile. Let's see what else is in this one. Ooh, more of the blue. You know, the miners talk about the blue rock, like when they were in creeks and whatnot. Ooh, that's pretty good stuff. Now, I'm used to greenstone, but This is interesting that they're finding this up here. It's not what's supposed to be up there geologically, not on any map that I've found, but I did my research and this old timer said the digging's uphill. It's just a big old piece of quartz. Let's see what else we can find in there. Ooh, would you look at that? That's some crazy looking stuff there. Look at the pretty crystals. How cute. And I got some more in there. It's mostly quartz. This one looks pretty cool. Both of these. Just take your samples. What's that right there? Where is that? Can y'all see that in front of my finger? That's one to investigate. Right out of the bat. Okay, so there it is. You can see it. It's right in the center there, right there. And then here it is. So they're definitely mineralization. Right in the right zones too. I'm just gonna sit my ass down and scoop up all the littles. You know, look at this right here. Okay, so you guys can obviously see what I'm into, and then there's some hardpack rocks in here that I've been trying to get out, and then I'm suckering it out. My husband's working this little sluice over here, and we got some dirt from over there. Yay! So we're gonna see what we got in our sluice so far, just to see if we're in a good spot. We're prospecting. Piece right there, but it's tiny. Little guy. Oh, right there. Little guy, come here. Can you see it? Little guy right there. Where is it? Right there. Let's see what else I got. Oh, bigger one. Minute. So we got some color, and we haven't even gone through like a quarter of a bucket. We still have half a bucket there, and I just did a little bit of speaking thing. So it's in there. Hi, look down there. That's what I'm working. It goes really deep. Okay, time to get this thing. Woo, still that. Ready? Little goes a long way when you're working this stuff. Ooh, there's a good one. I wish I had a dredge, but you can't dredge in California. Hopefully this is a winner. To tear out of that hole. That's a hole. There's one right there. Right there, right there. Okay, I gotta capture this stuff. So I pulled my sluice and I just wanted to see if you guys could see any of these. There's kind of in the shadow. There's one right there. There's another couple in there. They're little, but they're there. Probably a bucket of dirt.